Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. Hot out of the mailbox again. I have two packages to share with you guys. Today I received the final box of the autumn or fall Walmart beauty box. This is the Trendsetter version. I've already shared the classic, which came like maybe 2 weeks ago, I think. So I'm going to share the Trendsetter. I cannot even remember what was in the classic one, so I can't tell you if this is a duplicate or not, so I'm sorry. I should have looked at that other video. I never watch my videos. Like, very rarely do I watch a video that I share with you guys. Like, I can't even tell you the last time. Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know if I've ever watched any of my videos. Anyway, so this is the Walmart Beauty Box. You go to Walmart or beautybox.walmart.com. They're $5. They're sent out quarterly. This is the fall version. They're now caught up with their seasons. They were like a month or two behind each season, but they're caught up. And you just go there, you sign up, it's $5. It would be a subscription in the sense that they warn you when the season is coming to the next one. They'll send you a message saying, we plan on charging your account on this date for this box, basically. So usually everything you get in here is usable. I don't think I've ever gotten anything I didn't like. So let's see. You can also enter to win a $100 gift certificate, a gift card. Embrace Your Beauty. It looks like it's sponsored by Nivea, which I think maybe the last box was sponsored by Nivea, but then I remember, like, I don't think we got any Nivea in there. So this is the same thing. So this I do know we got because I have it in a giveaway pile. This is Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume. I've used 2 of these before and they make my hair like straw. I don't like it at all. So this will be going in a giveaway. I don't like dry shampoos and I don't like foam conditioners. Okay, this was in the last box too, so far it looks like it's all repeating. Because I remember this. This is the Collagen Sue My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch, which I have another one of these, and I do intend to use this. So I just haven't used it yet. So hopefully by my next sharing, I'll get this done. I know I've done this before because I just used this sample a couple nights ago. This is a 48-hour Soothing Moisture by Nivea with Aloe Vera, and it's really runny, but it really hydrates. It's really weird. So I like thick lotions, but this did the job being really liquidy. So I like that. I don't think I would buy it, but I like it. This is definitely a repeat because I have it in my purse right now. A Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. What I like about it, I haven't used it yet, but what I like about it is it's so big. Normally your little wet naps are like that. You know, like that little square there. But this is really big, so I like that. It's in my purse. I haven't used it yet, but I have a lot of them in my purse. And just like last week's video, the cat is going to meow the entire time. Today we had a new roof ridge put on, and so it's been shocking and disturbing to all the animals. So they're still, like last time it was because we had a storm which caused our roof to leak, which is hence the new roof. And they're just a mess. They're mad. They were locked in a room today, and now they're gonna go around and disrupt my video. Cetaphil, I don't know if this is a repeat, but this is Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. I think this might be a repeat too. I don't remember if I've used it yet, but I think we already got this. This looks new. Okay, this is a Freeman Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. So this will be going in a giveaway because I don't like using masks, but that is really a pretty package. But it'll be going in a giveaway. And this is different. So the only thing that was different in the Trendsetter are a mask and this, which I don't know what this is. This is Biore All-in-One, Free Your Pores, Charcoal, Great for Oily Skin, Micellar Water. Oh, so a charcoal micellar water. I have all kinds of little micellar waters. I just don't take my makeup off like that. I take it off in the shower. So I don't know. I might give it a shot just to see if it's any different than any of the other micellar waters. Maybe I should do all the other micellar waters and get rid of them in a giveaway too. So maybe I'll do that because I have a whole bunch of samples and I just don't take my makeup. Oh, here's a new thing. Oh, another item. Sorry, Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Oh, it's one of those. I like these kind. I'm gonna put it right here. Ooh, real thin. like that. It's kind of like the Kat Von D. I have one of these, two of these actually, with the Kat Von D. Real thin line, so real precise, as it says, by Maybelline. I like that. I will probably use that. Okay, so not coming off. Fantastic. Okay, and then I think all the other stuff inside here is just talking about the Maybelline, talking about the Nivea, talking about the Cetaphil, whatever. And is that it? Oh, and then talking about the Pantene foam conditioner, which is not new. It's been around at least a year. Okay, so to recap, this is all that was different in this Trendsetter package, which is still pretty good. This alone is, you know, this may not be a whole full-size sample, but definitely worth the $5 that I paid, because I will definitely use this. This I won't use, this I might use, but these are the three things that are different from Trendsetter versus Classic. So a face mask. So this is largely facial, huh? Well, no. Well, yeah. This was for the face. This is for the face. This is for the face. This is for your makeup. This is for your hair. This is a wet wipe. This is for your face. And this is for your face, the lip thing. So it seems like both of them largely, I don't think there was anything different in the Classic that wasn't for your face. So they seem to both Classic and Trendsetter seem to be mostly facial kind of stuff for your face, and one thing for your hair. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. And again, most of that stuff as usual, I'll definitely get the $5 out of it. And so go ahead and sign up for it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.